Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the world of fragrance with a detailed look at Carolina Herrera's Good Girl Eau de Parfum spray, a 5.1-ounce bottle that's designed for modern women who want to make a statement. This scent positions itself as an Oriental floral fragrance, blending deep, sweet, warm, and powdery notes to create something both mysterious and elegant. Good Girl opens with top notes of almond and coffee, which give it that immediate rich and slightly bitter edge, definitely not your typical light floral scent. At the heart, you find a lush bouquet of sambac jasmine, tuberose, and orris, lending the fragrance a creamy, sophisticated floral vibe. The base wraps it all up with warm, cozy notes of vanilla, sandalwood, tonka bean, and cocoa, creating a powdery sweetness that lingers long after application. It's designed to evoke the allure of a femme fatale, bold but refined. In terms of how it fits into a daily routine, I found Good Girl to be surprisingly versatile. It's rich enough to wear for evening events when you want to feel confident and seductive, but the floral and slightly sweet nuances also work well during the day, especially in cooler weather. The sillage is moderate to strong, so you don't have to spray a lot to get noticed, but it's not overwhelming either. The longevity is impressive. I noticed the scent lasting well into the evening after a morning application, which is a key factor for any perfume worth investing in. The bottle itself is iconic, a sleek high-heeled shoe shape that perfectly complements the fragrance's vibe. It feels sturdy and luxurious, which aligns with the premium pricing. Spraying is smooth, delivering a fine mist that disperses evenly without overdoing it. Now, the price is on the higher end, but considering the quality of the fragrance blend, the complexity of the notes, and the lasting power, it does justify the investment for those looking for something that stands out in the perfume aisle. If you're seeking a signature scent that blends sweetness with a bit of edge and sophistication, Good Girl is definitely worth exploring. For a quick comparison, if you're looking for something a bit lighter and fresher, brands like Jo Malone or Chanel offer alternatives, but they don't quite capture this same bold, powdery warmth. On the flip side, if you prefer a deeper, more gourmand scent with richer vanilla and cocoa notes, Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium is another popular choice in a similar price range. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Carolina Herrera has a reputation for elegant and well-crafted fragrances, and Good Girl continues that tradition with a modern twist. While I haven't had any direct experience with their customer service, the brand is known for solid support and consistent quality. If you're budget conscious, there are a few fragrances out there with similar warm and sweet profiles that come at a lower price point, like Zara's Red Vanilla or Victoria's Secret's Bombshell, but they don't quite match the sophisticated complexity of Good Girl. To sum it all up, Carolina Herrera's Good Girl Eau de Parfum delivers a captivating and multi-layered scent experience. It's ideal for women who want a perfume that feels both daring and elegant, a real attention grabber without being overpowering. If you're drawn to Oriental floral fragrances with a powdery warm base, this one should be on your radar. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. If you've used Good Girl, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.